How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today, which is of course a 2012 Dodge Charger SRT-8. So I'm really excited for this one. I had to drive in the Scat Pack, and I didn't do an acceleration run on that one, I believe, but we're gonna go ahead, hit the Autobahn, do a little acceleration run, then I'm gonna tell you guys what I think of this Dodge Charger. And before we get going, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars. A lot of you guys watch the videos without subscribing, but yeah, enough of that. Nice. Let's hit the Autobahn. I haven't quite figured out how to launch this thing properly yet. I haven't been doing too much driving with it, but we're just gonna gun it from a standstill and see how it goes. You guys saw the acceleration. I haven't quite figured out how to launch this thing yet. We just gunned it from a standstill, but it still had plenty of power. The 5-speed automatic does dumb this down a little bit, but it is nice and smooth. However, it's not quite as fast as the Scat Pack has with basically the same engine. Because of the 8-speed automatic, the Scat Pack does feel quite a bit faster, but this is still a really, really nice vehicle. Feels very solid. Steering is pretty heavy. Everything is really solid feeling and well built. Now you do have a couple of small rattles and creaks. You also have some wind noise that starts at about 230, 240, but it doesn't always happen. I'm not quite sure. But this thing just has such a road presence and just that V8 character. You don't really get that from any other vehicles, obviously. The V8s are going away, so buy them while you still can. Buy one of these instead of buying something new for like 30 grand or something else. Go pick one of these up. They're so cheap on the used market, and like I said, they're plenty of fast. Scat Pack is of course still a little bit better because of the 8-speed, but this is fine. I mean, we were at 170, we're almost at 200 kilometers now, and also the suspension feels quite decent. So this is on the old E-Class platform. If you may not know, E-Class platform is basically made for the Autobahn as well, so it feels solid on the Autobahn as well. It's not rock hard, but it's not like super cushy like most American vehicles are, or some people say most American vehicles are. I think the Dodge products are really good, and this can definitely get a recommendation from me. I love this vehicle, and I'm not sure if it's my favorite of the year, but it's definitely really, really nice, and it's pretty close up there. Also, this has a little, when you rev the engine and standstill, it shakes the vehicle a little bit, just because you have that 6.4 liter V8 in the front. Insane vehicle, insanely large engine for today's age. I mean, even all the AMGs and everything mostly have 4-liter turbo V8s. This just has a 6.4 liter, which is great. Like I said, no turbos or anything, but I'm going on a rant. I love this vehicle. Go check one out if you can find one. And fuel economy is not as bad as you may think. We were able to manage around 10 liters per 100 kilometers, which is fine. This thing is pretty heavy, but it's not that bad. And really, I think the American vehicles just have a really bad reputation for no reason. They've caught up. Even this 2012 model is good. I can keep up with anybody on the Autobahn, of course, except for maybe like an RS6. It's not quite that fast, but honestly, it's fast enough. Almost forgot to mention, this thing tops out at right around 270 kilometers an hour. We weren't able to manage much more than that just because of traffic situation on the Autobahn, but it may go a little bit faster than that as well. So yeah, I just wanted to hit you guys up, let you know the top speed of this, and yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what do you think of the Charger, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.